79th Independence Day. My topic name is Our Journey to Independence. India's path to freedom was not easy. This journey began somewhere around the 80s and ended in 1947. From the revolt of 1857, which is considered as the first war of independence. The Lucknow Pact of 1916 was another landmark movement in the journey of independence. As a landmark movement, the pact showcased the unity among Hindus and Muslims against British rule. The massacre of Jallianwala Bagh in 1919 sparked outrage in people who wanted to break the chains of colonialism. This chain of revolution in the journey of independence started stirring the British. Another landmark event in the freedom fight, in the freedom struggle was Mahatma Gandhi led non-cooperation. Later on, the Quit India movement on 8th August 1942 saw a huge crowd rallying behind Mahatma Gandhi with a sense for an immediate end to British rule. After years of struggle by freedom fighters, India saw a bittersweet movement in the history of freedom. Thank you.
I have forgotten, but never can I. May the tricolor of my country flourish very high. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate India's journey till 15th August 1947. This journey is celebration of human spirit, power of hope, that fire that begins with a desire that later burns in the hearts of our forefathers who dared to dream and achieve as a sovereign nation. India's quest for independence started with the revolt of 1857, which was considered as the first war of independence. Rani Lakshmibai, Nana Sahib, and many more joined the revolt. The seed of resistance was sown into the heart of people. Another landmark event in the freedom struggle was Mahatma Gandhi-led non-cooperation movement in which he urged his fellow Indians to boycott British goods and institutions. Later on, the Quit India movement on 8 August 1942 saw a huge crowd rallying behind Mahatma Gandhi with the call for an immediate end to British rule. Famous freedom fighters, leaders like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajgopalachari and others were imprisoned. After years of struggle, India saw a bittersweet moment on August 14 and 15, 1942 and considered India and Pakistan as two separate nations as India celebrated its Independence Day on 15th August 1947. This journey tells the future generation to celebrate this freedom which was hard fought. Thank you.
Years, our people had to suffer a lot. The British took our wealth and treated Indians unfairly. But many brave leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel and Rani Lakshmibai never gave up and fought with courage. Mahatma Gandhi taught us the path of truth and non-violence through movements like Salt March and Quit India movement. Whole country came together and many Many people went to the jail and some even gave their lives. Finally, after years of struggle, India became independent on 15 August 1947. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, raised our national flag and whole nation celebrated. We must remember the sacrifice of the freedom fighters and respect our freedom. It is our duty to work hard and make our country proud. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर वर्ष मेले, वतन पर मिटने वालों का यही बाकी निशान होगा. Respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends, good morning to one and all present here. I, Riddhi Jiral, the captain of Satluj House, standing before you to share thoughts on the journey to independence of India, a journey filled with courage, resistance, and sacrifice. India's story before 1947 isn't just about colonial rule, but also about the nation's awakening. Our journey began long before the British Crown formally ruled India, who came for trade but gradually turned into rulers. The first major resistance came in 1857, the first war of independence that marked the beginning of organized resistance. This gave rise to Indian National Congress in 1885, which later became the backbone of India's freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence, civil disobedience, salt march, and quit India mobilized millions of peoples. After nearly 2 centuries of struggle, India achieved independence on 15th August 1947. But this freedom was not free. It was earned by sweat, blood, and dreams of generations who never gave up. The pre-independence journey isn't just about throwing off foreign rule, but also about awakening the Indian identity, fighting caste, social evils, and uniting people across languages and religions for one cause, freedom. As we enjoy the rights and liberties of a free nation today, let us remember this long journey. Let us carry that spirit not just by remembering history, but by building a strong and developed nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear friends, as we all gathered here for the celebration of 79th Independence Day, I will tell you about our glorious journey since independence. Long ago on 15th August 1947, India became free. People were so happy, but our country was poor and had many problems. Since then, our leaders and people have worked hard. We built schools for children, hospitals for sick, roads, bridges, and factories. India has grown in science and technology. Our scientists have sent rockets to moon and even to Mars. We are also proud of our culture and festival. We have great music, dance, art, and sports stars who make India famous in the world. Today, India is a strong and respected country, but we still need fight against problems like poverty and pollution. Friends, our journey shows that when we work together, we can achieve anything. Let us promise to be good citizens and make India shine even more. Jai Hind.
And my dear friends, my name is Tanmay. I study in class 4. First of all, I feel great pride to present this speech, Our Glorious Journey Since Independence. The Our Glorious Journey Since Independence phrase likely refers to India's post-independence witness and major economic growth. There has been advancements in areas like education, healthcare, and poverty reduction. India has finally established itself as the world's largest democracy, conducting regular elections. India has made progress in science and technology,
including space, nuclear energy, and information technology. India has seen acceleration in various sports with notable progress in cricket, badminton, tennis, and other sports. There has been developments in recent years with networks of roads, highways, railways, and ports driven by strategic planning. At last, the glorious journey since independence is a narrative of resilience, progress, and aspiration with a focus on building a better India for all. Thank you and have a nice day. To one and all present here, today I am going to speak on glorious India after independence. India has achieved significant milestones since its independence. Some of the top achievements are successful elections since 1951. Green Revolution led to a substantial increase in food production, making India self-sufficient. ISRO has made substantial strides in space exploration with missions like Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2. India has progressed in nuclear power. India has become a global leader in IT sector. India has progressed in healthcare, especially eradication of polio. In sports, economics, growth also, India has made great achievements. Thank you. To one and all present here, respected principal man, teacher, and my dear friends. Today, I feel honored to stand before you on the occasion of our nation's 79th Independence Day. My name is Garvit Thakur from Satluj House. Today, I am telling about our glorious journey since independence. India's journey since independence has been marked by significant progress and challenges. India faced challenges in areas like education quality, healthcare access, and infrastructure development. India has made significant achievements in space exploration, include the Mangalyaan and the Chandrayaan mission. India's growing economic and military power has increased its influence on the world stage. India has won numerous medals in international sports competitions. India has unsolved territorial disputes with China and Pakistan. Social issues like gender inequality, religious intolerance, etc. The telecom sector has seen massive growth connecting a large portion of the population. The private sector has played an increasingly important role in India's economic development. Overall, India's journey since independence has been to testament to its resilience and potential. Thank you. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Group song people, full winners. All those who had given speech pre-independence, post-independence were all winners. Okay? Only some numbers are now coming to us.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So we begin with the results of the speech competition. Certificates will be distributed later on. Okay? I'm just announcing the winners. So the first topic was our journey to independence, and we have third position, 2. There is a tie between Samaira and Ryan. Please clap for them. They both are third. Second is Riddhi from Satluj House. Please clap for her. And Nikalp is first from Chenab House. All of you come forward. All of you spoke really, really well. Excellent.
Yes. Very nice.
Stand. Okay. Now the second topic was our glorious journey since independence. So we begin with the fourth position. Fourth is Vihan from Ravi House. Clap for him. He is only in class 2 and he spoke really well. Yes, ma'am. He really spoke very well. Third is Tanmay from Chenab House. Let's clap for him. Second is Gurna from Byas House. And first is Garvik from Satluj House. Let's clap for him. A big round of applause to all the participants. You really spoke very well. Results. Especially, I think house teachers are waiting a lot. Okay. Every one of you spoke very well. Okay, and sung very well. So don't lose heart. सबने बहुत अच्छा गाया. In the patriotic group song competition, fourth is Ravi House. Let's clap for them. Third is Byas House. Let's clap for them. So, should I say the first one first or second one first? Any guesses who is first? Okay. Let me now just announce. First is Satluj House and second is Chenab House. Very well done, Satluj House. I request Satluj House to please come on the stage, and the teacher also, Nancy ma'am, was given the house at the last moment and she prepared the students really well. She is not the house teacher, but still she prepared. A big round of applause to Nancy ma'am as well. Please come on the stage. We have a trophy for the first house. I request Principal Ma'am to please give away the trophy to the winning house. Satluj House, well done. Very well done. Nancy Ma'am, to be there. At the last moment, she changed the song also because earlier they were not singing so well, and in a few days only she did very well. So please give them a... Okay.